In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete TikTok account. If you've decided it's time to remove your presence from TikTok, this walkthrough will take you through the process clearly and calmly, so you know exactly what to expect. Keep in mind that deleting an account is a serious step. It removes your profile and access to it, so make sure you're working on the correct account before you proceed. You'll also want to have access to the phone number or email linked to the account, since TikTok will ask you to verify your identity. Start by opening the TikTok app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account you intend to delete. It's a good idea to glance at the profile picture and username to confirm you're in the right place. From your profile, look for the More menu. This is typically the icon with 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap that to open your options. Inside the menu, tap Settings. Depending on your version, this may appear as Settings and Privacy, but the idea is the same. You're going into the area where your account controls live. Once you're in Settings, locate the section labeled Manage Account. This is where TikTok keeps the controls for your account details and ownership. Within Manage Account, you'll see an option labeled Delete Account. Tap Delete Account. At this point, TikTok will guide you through a verification step to make sure it's really you making the request. The app might send a code to your email or phone or prompt you to confirm in-app. Enter the code or complete the prompt as directed. If you don't see the code right away, give it a moment and check your signal, then try resending it if needed. After verification, TikTok will display a final confirmation screen explaining what happens when you delete your account. Read this carefully so you understand the outcome. If everything looks correct and you're ready to proceed, confirm to continue. The app will process your request and your account will be slated for deletion. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Ensure you have a stable internet connection so the verification step works smoothly. If you manage more than one TikTok account, double-check the profile before hitting delete to avoid removing the wrong one. And if you decide not to go through with it, simply back out before the final confirmation. That's it. You opened TikTok, tapped More, went into Settings, selected Manage Account, chose Delete Account, and completed verification to continue deleting the account.